Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing. But before I want to do that, I want to do a shout out to my ex co-worker Lucy. Also do a shout out to, I believe his name is Kevin. Always responding, positive. And of course, shout out to all of you, my subscribers, viewers. All right, now here we go. In the past, you probably saw me recently do an unboxing of a Moto Play G phone, okay, that I got at Family Dollar. Okay, and I think with tax, it runs around 60 bucks. Very, very nice phone for the price. I'm telling you, it's very, very nice. And I also believe it has some upgradable operating system on it. So you can get the updated, security fixes for that Android phone. All right. So, like any phone, you got a phone, whether it's expensive or not, it's your phone. And what you want to do is protect it. And that is my unboxing. I got this. And I'm not the type of person that usually get a protection cover that's got bling bling. But I bought this and I thought it looked cool. And I want to show it to you. Okay. Got it off of Amazon. Not expensive at all. About 7 bucks. Okay. Got it on sale. And here it is. Okay. So let's open this bling bling. And they call it a professional protection fashion case. Okay. So let me open this sucker up. As you can see right here. That's nice. Okay. Very nice. Oh, here we go. Finally. There you go. Look at that. Look at that bling bling, baby. Ooh-wee. And now, anytime you get a protection case for those types of phones, make sure you get the one that has the amount of cameras. Because mine has 2, but there are some Moto Play G phones that have 3. So you want to make sure you get the one with the right camera mounts, okay? Now, love this right here. This is a magnet. Lets you, look at that. Very nice. Got a little bling bling right there, okay? We got ourselves kind of a golden black. Steelers colors. Some may say it's a brass and black. Well, I'm gonna go with the gold and black. All right, and that is the unboxing. Very nice case I got for that. Now, a little tip for you before I end this right here. Okay, anytime you're out and about, most people don't know that you might want to buy yourself an inexpensive flip phone. Why? Whether it's activated or not, all phones, even if you run out of data, minutes and everything, all phones can call 911. So it's nice to have a flip phone in your glove compartment, okay? In cases of emergencies. Like if your battery runs out on your main smartphone and you have emergency, boom. If you're in a domestic V type of situation, it's good to have a flip phone. Okay, have it handy. And flip phones are so small you can hide it deep in your purse, because the first thing people usually try to do, they try to take your smartphone, your passport, your ID. Okay? They try to take that to make you helpless. And those flip phones are small enough that you can hide them. You know, even in a compartment of your purse that no one knows about. You can hide them. Okay? And if you have a case of emergency, you can flip that sucker up, call, boom, and get on out of there and get help. All right, and I guess I'll write to you later over here in Pennsylvania. And before I finish, I want to tell you that law that lets you use any phone, call 911 from any phone, whether it's activated or not, happened in a city here in Pennsylvania. And it's a horrible, sad story that made it become a law, a situation that could have easily been preventable. And it all came from greed of corporations that made the situation that happened happen. It should never have happened. And that's why today, all phones can call 911 for free, activated or not. Okay? And I'll wrap to y'all later. Stay safe out there. And if you need more entertainment, you can check out one of these or one of these. Okay. My other videos I just uploaded in the past. Or you can check out my playlist. All right. Peace out.